What's up guys?
Hustlin Bros here, and for today we're gonna unbox
We're gonna review,
this Air Jordan 1 Pine Green Low.
and later on we're gonna share our thoughts and insights about this silhouette and about this sneaker.
So let's go. As you can see guys, this is the OG box of the Air Jordan 1 Low Pine Green. It has the signature logo, the Jumpman, and this is the 360 view. Another logo here of the Jumpman. Then this is the iconic number, the size, the details of the shoes. So let's go. So you can see the paper cover here are with detailed with another signature number of Michael Jordan. Then this is the shoes, the Air Jordan 1 Low Pine Green. What's up guys, so here is the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green Low. So partner, tigisa tayo.
Yes, sir.
First of all, in your own perspective, ano muna ang mga impression mo about these shoes?
First impressions, looks good. Smells good.
The smell of authentic shoes.
Yeah.
You can never go wrong with it. Yeah, this is a good shoe for me. So let's break down into pieces. First of all,
We're gonna start from bottom to top.
Start tayo sa outer sole. So in the outer sole, you can see the never fading sole of the Air Jordan. Jordan 1 particularly.
Yeah,
Lahat
starting
ng-
from 1985, so to cut
Yeah.
off partner. Starting from 1985, where the first Jordan 1 was made for Michael Jordan.
Yep.
The Jordan 1 High has this signature
Outsole.
rubber outsole. It's durable. It's easy to play on the court, and it has this textured.
Starlight texture. For us, I think this is used to the grip on the
Yeah,
ball.
yeah, for the grip.
Then yeah, the details here is good. You
The
can never
signature Nike branding here.
you can never see a flaw in here. All the details is good. Next, go to the midsole, partner.
Yeah, the midsole,
What can you,
clean white.
what can you say about the midsole?
Yeah, it's clean white. It has this perfect stitch.
Stitch detail. So you can see, this is not only just a clean white. There also has a small details in the midsole. So
Yeah, for the grip also, I think.
so Nike put a fine detail in it. Then next,
And also, it's a different texture from the midsoles of the Air Force Ones.
yeah. So next, we're gonna go in the upper toe box.
Yeah,
So here is the upper toe box. So you can see there are a lot of holes there in terms of cooling.
yeah. The perforations, it is made for the breathability for your
For
shoe,
shoe.
for your feet when playing or for everyday daily shoe.
Yeah. So kung kukumpara natin in our environment, as you can see, if we go to Manila, the temperature there is so hot.
And
So-
right now, it's like it's reaching for like 39 degrees.
Yes. So you can never go wrong with this one. Diyan lalabas ang init sa paa mo. If you're gonna go use these shoes on your day-to-day basis.
Yup. And also, you can compare these perforations, these perfected perforations, with the fake pairs or the unfilling pairs to authenticate them.
Yeah. So next, we're gonna go to
The lateral side,
Yes. What can you say about it, partner?
as you can see, the signature big swoosh here, with the made out of patent leather, black patent leather.
Yes.
And in the middle of it is also a patent leather made of white. And you can see the perfect close tight stitching here.
Yeah.
And this stitching has always been part also in authenticating pairs of Jordan 1s.
Yeah. As you can see, there is never a flaw in stitching. Diyan mo makapagkukumpara ang mga OG pairs sa mga Class A
Yeah,
o
OEM.
Yeah. Isa pa rin yun sa checklist kung mag-check kayo ng authentication ng isang shoe. The stitching. You can never go wrong with it.
Yup.
Next one is the heel cap here. Heel cap. As you can see, there's a detailed logo in there.
Yeah, the Wings logo.
As you can see, may detail din siya about its stitching.
It's also, again, it's tight, it's clean,
The stitching is good.
The wings is just have the consistency in every
Yeah.
stitching. And also you can see the connecting part of here of the Nike swoosh.
Next one is the
Medial side.
medial side. So, for the information guys, para hindi kayo malito, ano ba pinagkaiba ng lateral sa medial? So you can see, if you're gonna combine this part, the lateral is the outer side, and the medial part of shoe is the inner side.
Yeah.
Now you know, that's the difference of medial and lateral part of the shoe.
It's self-explanatory.
So, about the medial part, partner, what can you say about this?
So ito nga, halos same siya nung ng lateral side. The only difference I guess is
The curvature, pre.
yeah, because our feet is formed in this shape of shoes in
Yeah.
different types of different silhouettes have different form.
Formation of shoe,
Oh, yeah.
according to their brand, sizes,
Their structure.
the structure, the model of the shoe.
Yeah.
Then next is we're gonna go to the sock liner.
Yeah.
So this is the sock liner. So what can you say about the sock liner?
Sock liner, it's made up of plush sock liner. It's very soft. And so smooth.
Nike said about it, has encapsulated Nike air cushioning for all-day comfort.
Yep.
So kung mapapag-usapan natin yung comfort, if you can touch this guys, this is too comfy.
Yeah.
Sobrang malambot siya.
So I recommend you guys na talagang visit a Nike store near you and
Go check
just
this one.
feel the texture of this one.
Yeah. After the sock liner, we're gonna go in the tongue.
Yep.
So ano ba makikita natin sa tongue?
Of course, the signature Jumpman
Yeah.
here. It's again clean, tight, and consistent stitching.
Stitching. Also check the OG number 23.
Number 23.
Jordan 1.
Let's go.
Then
And as you can see in the tongue, it has the tag
sizes.
where you can see the size, the
Oh.
QR code.
Oh guys, inside there's a shoe tree.
Yeah.
It's made of wood. So if you're not wearing it,
Paper wood, I think.
if you're not wearing your shoe, I recommend installing this inside your shoe to
Yeah.
prevent creases
Yep.
In the
and to maintain the
The
overall
form.
form of the shoe.
from the shoe. So in the inner,
For the insole,
there's a Jumpman logo in green color.
in green colorway.
Kung makikita nyo guys, naroon sa loob.
It's a black insole.
All in all, this is a good pair, bro.
Yeah.
Kung makikita natin, slightly may mga factory flaw, but overall, in the looks, hindi mo siya mapapansin. If in detailed review mo, saka mo lang mapapansin yung mga factory flaw. There are lots of shoes, OG shoes, that has factory flaw, but
Especially the Travis Scott ones.
yeah, but hindi siya affected. Hindi na naapektuhan yung performance ng shoes. And mostly, hindi siya ma-recognize as fake because of the factory flaw.
Mhm.
There's a lot of OG pairs, good pairs, hype pairs na may factory flaw but still they are real, authentic. So yeah, let's talk about the price. The price of the shoe.
The price of this shoe is cost about $100.
Yeah. In Philippine currency, it's 4,995. But since we
Yeah.
bought it online, it is from Singapore.
Nike Singapore.
Yeah, Nike Singapore. Then there's a lot of shipping fee, the additional fee.
Yep.
All in all, we bought this shoe for around 5,620, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So for that 5,620,
Okay,
it is good. I think your 5,620 is not wasted.
it's really worth it. It's a bitter shoe, and you can also, I think this you can play this sneaker. It's in this silhouette.
Again, about the styling of the shoe, ano ba dapat ang combination kung isusot natin to? For me, you can never go wrong with the white shirt, the black pants, then while wearing this. If you're gonna go with shorts, kung may initan na pants, I recommend wearing this with the high socks.
White socks, red socks. Yeah, it complements the
Yeah.
contrast of this green colorway.
Again, the shoe,
For the price point, You can never go wrong with
You can
this.
never go wrong with this. So this is a highly recommended shoe.
And it's more affordable than the Jordan 1 highs.
Guys,
And it is not that highly anticipated sneaker. So everyone could
can
Cup this.
pair. All in all, hindi naman siya yung sobrang hype pair.
Yeah.
But once na sinuot mo to, you can be a head turner. You can never go wrong with this one.
Return to.
Laging may dating ang Jordan 1 low in public.
I think Jordan 1s is the best silhouette for me in the
Yeah.
sneaker society.
Yeah, guys, for recommendations,
Comment down below.
your insights about the shoes, just comment down below. And then for more updates, reviews, releases, dates, follow Hustlin Bros at Instagram at Hustlin Bros.
And subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, then leave a like on this video.
So guys, this is the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green Low.
So again, we're the Hustlin Bros.
And we'll see you. Keep on hustling.